Hey guys, I'm here today playing a game that my friend told me about. It's called Cat Mario, and it's a rage game. And I guess I'm gonna play a little bit of it, and we'll see how it goes. So, here we are, level 1. Okay. Seems pretty much like the normal Mario, but what is that? That is weird. And what? Stupid. Of course. No, they wouldn't put a power up in there to make you happy. They're gonna put this stupid thing in there. Let's see if we can go down here. What? Okay then. Well, that was interesting. Alright. I guess don't go down there. Oh boy. Okay. So I'm pretty much learning. So you can't kill that thing. Okay, I'm pretty much learning the things that are hidden in this level. This is only the first level. Like, I can't even imagine what the last level is like. Okay, I'm just gonna jump over that. What? Okay. So pretty annoying, maybe, kind of. No, this game's okay so far. It's kind of annoying, like really annoying. Ugh. What? You can have negative lives? What's that? This is really unfair. Like, who made this? I don't even know. Okay, whoops, let me just resize it there. Yes, I'm gonna make it. What? That's not like the real Mario. That's a rip-off. You should be able to kill those guys by hitting them and they jump up and die or whatever they do in the normal game. Like, I have Super Mario on the SNES and it's way different than this. What? I got the power up, it didn't even give me anything. Okay, I have the flag, which is what? I'm really starting to hate this game. Like, really starting to hate this game. Okay. What? Why? What? There we go. So far I have -7 lives. That's pretty bad. I'm going over it. And I'm jumping that. Good thing I didn't go back in that little area. I wonder what's in here. Just... Dang it, Evan, why did you tell me to check this game out? then try and jump them. Yeah, alright, I made it. Yes! Finally. Ah! No! No! What am I doing wrong? Okay. Let's try this again. Those little vampire balls or whatever they are. Little white things floating around. I want to just explode right now. Just please. No. No, please. Please. No, please. No, please. No. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna jump over you guys again. I'm gonna see what's... Alright, there's gotta be a way that I can... What? No. No, why? Why? Wait, maybe... There's gotta be something else that I have to do that, like... Let's see. Alright, hold on. If I go around here... Down... Let's try going down here. Well, that clearly made me die. Okay, I need to try some of the pipes, because those might help, hopefully. There must be something around here. Just like... Let me just get rid of those pieces. No, please. Okay, this is really not working out for me. Alright, I'm gonna make it. What? Why? No, please. Just spare my life, little cloud. I'm already at like negative 30 something. Just watch out for those. I wonder if there's something around here. There's that. Oh. Let's try clicking it. Okay, well, this video's been a fail so far, but I guess thank you for watching. I might do a level 2 video of this once I get to level 2, if I even get to level 2. But I'll tell you one thing, this game is not an easy game. And I'm even on the first level. Like my friend, if you look underneath subscribers, you can see that I have that he's under subscribers. The banana games, any one of them, 1, 2, or 3. He's the one. He completed the game somehow. I don't know if he cheated or whatever. I don't know, but so. That's all. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Wild Bandman, signing out.